How to remove Bing and restore Google as default browser. First is by opening your Google Chrome app and then go to this three dots found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then click on settings right here. So if you cannot see settings, you just simply swipe left like this one and look for settings. So click on settings and go to default browser, search engine right here. So click on search engine and make sure to choose Google right here. So click on that one and then click on done once you are done right there. So for the PC or laptop, you just simply open your Google Chrome and click on the again three dots and choose setting as well and click on search engine and click on Google right there. So that's it. That's how you can remove Bing and restore Google as default browser.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.